If you're interested in getting your drone license to make money flying your drone, here's a breakdown of what the entire process will cost and how you can maximize your chances for success. If you're in the US, the Part 107 drone license cost is relatively low, consisting only of the test fee for the Part 107 test and the cost to register your drone. The Part 107 exam must be taken in person at an FAA authorized testing center. The testing fee is about $175, depending on your location and the PSI testing center. It is paid directly to the testing center where you schedule your test. There are around 800 test center locations across the United States. We'll have a link below that will help you find your nearest test center. In addition to the exam cost, each drone you own must be registered with the FAA, which costs $5 per drone for 3 years. Registration is a mandatory requirement for commercial drone operators. If you want help registering your drone, check out this video here that walks you through the entire process. We'll also link the website to register your drone down below. Some other factors to consider are establishing a limited liability company, or LLC, which can cost between $35 to $500. And you also might want to look at obtaining drone insurance. We'll provide a link below to an insurance company we like. To pass the Part 107 exam, you'll need a score of 70% or above. Although that might seem manageable, the catch is if you don't pass, you'll have to wait 2 weeks to retake the exam and pay another $175. That's right, each attempt costs $175. So if you don't pass on your first try, it's not just your time that's on the line, but your wallet too. And trust us, those costs can add up quickly. When it comes to Part 107 test prep, you have a lot of options. There are $5 apps you can buy that run through practice questions, $20 workbooks you can buy on Amazon, and online courses like Drone Pilot Ground School. The FAA also has a free Part 107 test study guide on its website, and there are some good YouTube videos out there that people piece together to pass the exam as well. Using free resources might seem like a good idea at first, but you'll soon find that understanding FAA regulations and aviation concepts can be tricky, especially without an aviation background. That's where Drone Pilot Ground School comes in. We break down these complex topics into easy to understand lessons, helping you feel more confident not only in passing the exam, but also in applying these concepts in real life situations. And yes, we're a bit biased because we built it, but we're really proud of our training content and wholeheartedly believe we offer the best training product and company support in the drone industry. I personally used Drone Pilot Ground School to pass the Part 107 exam on my first try 4 years ago, and loved how they used graphics and animations to explain the different concepts. The practice tests they gave, with explanations for each question, were super helpful too. Overall, our comprehensive course covers everything you need to know and more, ensuring you're fully prepared for test day. And we offer unlimited one-on-one support from expert instructors and offer instructor-led live webinars, ensuring students are never alone in their learning journey. Our students report spending 15 to 20 hours studying for the test, and the results speak for themselves. With a 99% success rate on the first try, our course provides the preparation you need to ace the exam. We also offer a 3x guarantee. If you don't pass the official FAA test despite completing our course and scoring at least 85% on our practice tests, we'll refund both our course fee and cover your $175 test center fee. And if you're not 100% satisfied with the course, we'll give you your money back, no questions asked. We have the industry's most updated course content, so you'll always have the freshest information, guaranteed. So again, why risk failing and paying another $175? Enroll in Drone Pilot Ground School and join the ranks of 60,000 plus successful drone pilots who passed their Part 107 exam on their first try. If you're interested in checking out Drone Pilot Ground School, click here or in the first link below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.